So I thought I might try something different. Maybe a camera of the day. Which of my cameras am I using today? I got enough cameras that I should probably seriously consider thinning out the herd a little bit. The most expensive one I have is the GoPro. I've got Akasos, I've got SJCams, I've got a no-name little peanut camera. I've got a couple of 360 style cameras. So if you leave in the comments below what camera you think I'm using, stick around to the end and I'll tell you. Anyway, like I said, I've got a handful of cameras. I made a video the other day, or a couple weeks ago, I guess, showing all of the cameras and stuff, and you know, what I like and don't like about some of them. But I figured I better try using a different camera every time I record this week, just for giggles. I do have my Akaso 360 camera outside in time lapse mode for my drive from work to home, well, 7-Eleven and then home. And I've got one of my Akaso cameras out in fast motion on the front bumper for the drive home. We'll see how those turn out. Obviously, when it's time to edit those, I'm going to have to edit, shut off the audio tracks. I just thought it was time to start using some of the equipment that I've got and kind of specialize one or two of the others here and there. So anyway, so if you've already left a comment and you've hit the like button, feel free to watch one of my videos after we get done here. Any of my videos, all of my videos. Anyway, and if you really think there's something of value to you, feel free to subscribe. I'd appreciate it greatly. It means a lot to me for the people who spend a little bit of their time to watch little old me and my ugly mug. I don't take myself too serious. You shouldn't either. I'm having a good time, and you're welcome to tag along for the fun. So the camera I'm using today is the GoPro Hero 9 Black. I bought in the summer of 2022 without really having a purpose for it or why I needed it. I just bought it on a whim. Not the best way to do things, but I had already started this channel by accident 2 years prior, and I just forgot about it. And about 8 months after I bought the GoPro, I decided to really start doing stuff, and so here it is. I'm up to 111 subscribers. Thank you very much. And yeah, the GoPro Hero does a really good job when it doesn't overheat, which it tends to do from time to time, and it doesn't do it repeatably, oddly enough. Well, depends. Certain batteries I had to get rid of because they were too high amperage. I think they're better suited for the 13, not the 9, but they fit. I did give them to a guy who has a 13. One of the things I don't like is there's no native wireless microphone available to it. You have to use cables and dongles and adapters and stuff like that to make them fit, just like on my Akasos, but those are really special. I can use just about anything. Once I had, well, I guess I did have their kind of special adapter. So I didn't want to get the mic mod for it, which wraps around the camera and gives it multiple microphones available and inputs, so then you can just plug about anything into it. I'm just, you know, you've got cables. That's all there is to it. So anyway, GoPro 9, my channel. Please hit the like and subscribe, and leave a comment. Watch my other videos. Roger out.